Salam. Today we're going to be making a base desi rice dish, Bagara Khana. Bagara Khana, or tempered food, is a very standard but common rice dish. It's best eaten with other salan or saucy dishes that mix and absorb into it. Not to say Bagara Khana is plain, but in my opinion, it should take a backseat so that the other dishes get highlighted. You're going to need 2 cups of washed basmati rice and 4 cups of water so that there's a 2-to-1 ratio of water to rice, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter or ghee, salt, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 4 to 6 cloves, 1 sliced yellow onion, 1 teaspoon garlic paste, and 1 teaspoon ginger paste. Now we use the aromatic basmati rice, as its longer grains tend to be fluffier and looser, which then makes it more versatile when absorbing different types of spices, salans, and stocks. So you can add cinnamon sticks, black and green cardamoms, green chilies, garam masala, cilantro or mint herbs, but the other dishes may already have those and we don't want to mask its flavors or overpower the rices. In a stock pot, melt the ghee on medium, add the cumin seeds and cloves and cook for 1 to 2 minutes to quickly release its flavors. Add the onion and salt and cook for 10 to 15 minutes until cooked down like this. Add garlic and ginger paste and cook for a couple minutes. Next, add the rice and quickly toast it for a minute. Now we'll add the water, turn to high, and bring to a boil. Boil it for 10 minutes uncovered until all the water's gone, then turn to low, put the lid on, and steam for an additional 5 to 10 minutes. Bismillah! So on its own, it's fine, nothing special about it, but its neutralness does act as a very good vessel for whatever you do put into it. So it acts as an alternative to eating naan or roti with your dish. So